Good morning, students. Today we are starting the subject CAD CAM. This is for fourth BTech first semester subject. Okay, presented by this is N. Venkat Kishore, Department of Mechanical Engineering. So, what is meant by a CAD CAM? This is a very theory subject purely on designing of any element using computer aided design, or using of computer we are designing the or manufacturing the any product is called a CAD CAM. Then what is meant by CAD CAM? The CAD CAM is a term which means the computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing. Actually, it is a technology concerned with the use of digital computers to perform certain functions in design and production. So the previously we are using the concept of manually operated machinery, that is simply lathe machines. Okay, now we are using the digital computers in the designing at the same time production also. So this technology is moving in the direction of greater integration of design and manufacturing. So the concept is go for designing and production. Then what is meant by design? The design is the human power to imagine and planning and realizing the products that serves human beings. That means what is the design is a imagination of a human. Okay, the design can't be from a computer, it is coming from a human who thinks or who plans to design a product that is to be survive for human being only. Okay, then the design is a complete prototype with analysis and manufacturing. The design processes are involved in 6 steps. The first step is recognition of need. What is the why we are going to produce or design a new concept, that is called recognition of need. What is the purpose of designing a component, or what is the application of a component, that is called a recognition of need. That is, someone recognize the need that can be satisfied by the new design, that is called a recognition of need. Then coming to problem definition. What is meant by a problem definition? The problem definition is a specification of the item. That is, what are the specifications of an item will be coming under a problem definition. Then the third step is synthesis. That third step is synthesis. Synthesis is nothing but a creation and conceptualization. Creation and conceptualization. These processes are mainly implementation of the designing and the product development. The fourth one is the analysis and optimization. What is the design we have prepared either by manually or by using a computer? It has to be tested. The testing is called analysis and optimization. If any problem occurs, we have to go for optimization. So for every product, it has to go for analysis and then optimization. Then evaluation, comparing the design against the original specification. What we have designed is to be applicable on, or it has to satisfy the original specification. Original means it has to follow some standards. The standard specifications is followed or not, or it has to be in a form of the comparison with the original specification. Last one is the presentation. After getting all the above 5 steps, or above 5 steps if it is passed, then it has to be go for documenting the design. The documenting is nothing but the printing of a design or drafting or a drawing of a design which is to be go for production. These are the mainly 6 steps for creating any object in the CAD CAM. Then what are the main thing is the design processes are of 6 steps. One is recognition of need, second one is problem identification, third one is synthesis, fourth one is analysis and optimization, then fifth one is evaluation, finally it go for presentation. So these are the steps involved, just like in the flow chart. Okay, coming to recognition of need, go for problem definition. This is a systematic order. Okay, we can't replace the previous one with the next one. Okay, we have to follow these 6 steps in the same manner. Suppose if any problem is occurred in the analysis, during analysis, suppose it may be the thermal stresses or structural stresses or structural failures are there, it has to go for synthesis. If it is the synthesis, it is after going of synthesis, it is coming to the optimization, whether it is suitable for or not. Okay, finally we go for the presentation. Then coming to what is drawing. From the first year onwards, we are getting the concept called engineering drawing. From the second year, machine drawing. Third one, AutoCAD, that is AutoCAD software. By using AutoCAD software, we are drawing the or drafting the drawings. Next, CATIA, that is the 3D modeling. Okay, like that, these are all called CAD softwares. These are all called CAD softwares. And then coming to analysis software is ANSYS, Hypermesh, ANSYS, Hypermesh. Okay, these are all called, what is that, analysis software. So from recognition of need, problem definition, those are all for just like our computer, we are using wiki. Okay, in Google we are searching for the recognition of need and the definition of a problem. So from here it is go for the synthesis and evaluation and presentation. Next, what is a drawing? Drawing is a rough sketch which gives some message or information about the production. That is, drawing is nothing but a rough sketch which gives some message or whatever the information of a product, which is to be like a shape of a product or dimensions of a product or materials of a product or surface finish of a product. Like that, whatever the whatever the whatever the control of any element which is gives for okay. And then what is drafting? Drafting is a language of engineers with exact scaling and dimensions and accuracy with some standards like ISO and ASME, like that. Okay, then coming to Then how, what does mechanical engineer can do in CAD? Okay, these are the mechanical engineers do drafting and design and taking the prototype testing, that is analysis operation in CAD. By using the creating the graphic representation of a physical object. These are all can be in the computer software itself. We can't touch or we can't get it this. Computer aided design, that is called CAD. This is one of the main application of computer technology is computer aided design, which is side by with the computer aided manufacturing. The computer aided design, that is CAD, can be defined as the use of computer system to assist in creation, modification, analysis or optimization of a design. Then the computer systems consist of the hardware and software to perform specialized design functions required by the particular user frame. The CAD hardware typically includes the computer, one or more graphics display terminals, keyboards, and other peripheral equipments is to be required to perform the operations in a computer. This is the designing. What is the difference between designing or drafting and computer aided drafting? What is the main difference is that actually we are designing by using human, that is the human will creates the design by using hand with pencil or on a paper, but here by using of aid of computer, that is called a computer aided design. Computer aided design is nothing but the human design, both are same, but here the design is created by the computer with the application of code or with the application of a software by human. Human or man will create the software and man will give the instructions to the computer to design a component. But in actually we are designing the components on a paper, just like our engineering drawing. We have to clear about the two things, that is design with the human, design with computer. So computer with the aid of computer called CAD, with the aid of human, that is simply a design. Then actually what is the difference? Simply we can say engineering drawing. Engineering drawing concept will totally we are practicing on the sheet with the aid of pencils, scale, drafter. But Coming to, and at the same time, mission drawing also, we are practicing the entire designs on a sheet with the use of same drafter, pencils and all those things. But coming to the same design what we have prepared on a sheet, coming to the lab, that is AutoCAD lab, computer CAD lab, that is computer aided drafting lab. The drafting and the designing both are same. Then what is the difference here? It is in CAD we are using by the human itself we are operating the system. Okay, with the aid of computer, there is a computer is related to a software. So by using a software we are developing the design called computer aided design, just like AutoCAD, CATIA, like that. The software application is like that. So for the application of human drawing, we have to prepare some articles. That is, we have to prepare or we have to hold some articles, just like table, drawing sheet, okay, pencils, erasers, like that. But what about computer aided design? The entire drawing or design is to be done on a computer. So the computer is to be required as a primary element. So what is the computer having? The primary elements is called hardware and software. So we have to prepare the hardware components and software components. So it is an integration of computer science techniques for engineering design. So the term computer aided design characterizes any design activity which incorporates an electronic computing mission in the process of development, analysis or a modification and optimization of a design. So these are the hardware and software equipment is to be required while we are designing the components or while we are using the computer aided drafting. Then what are the simple terminology we will go for? Suppose what are the hardware equipments which includes in the CAD? That is, the CAD hardware typically includes the computer and one or more graphical display terminals, keyboards, mouses and other peripheral equipments. Then coming to CAD software consists of computer programmed to implement computer graphics on the system plus application program to facilitate the engineering functions of a company or an industry, whatever it is. So hardware is nothing but we have to give the commands to the computer. So we need to use a hardware components just like keyboard, mouse, and at the same time to visualize the components, that is a monitor. So with that we can't able to design any component, so we have to get it this called CPU. The CPU we have to be inbuilt of motherboard or that is RAM, ROM, like that. Okay, and at the same time we have to apply some in a single computer we can do or we can perform n number of operations. Suppose we have to design a component. For designing, what the software we are using? Only the motherboard or what is the OS is not enough. We have to use the application software which is related to the design. Suppose for our mechanically, we are using the concept called computer aided design, that is AutoCAD software, or otherwise for creating the 3D model CATIA or ProE, okay, SolidWorks. Okay, these are the softwares for designing. Then coming to analysis, it has to be no AutoCAD or CATIA will it can't be get it the analysis of any component. So we have to use the analysis softwares or application software. Here it is changed. Previous for designing we are using AutoCAD, CATIA, ProE, SolidWorks, EdgeCam, like that. But for analysis we are using the another application software called analysis ANSYS, hypermesh, like that. So there is a difference. In a single computer, we can do n number of operations. We can perform n number of operations. Then coming to then what does mechanical engineers can do in CAD? Then mechanical engineers can do a drafting, design and prototype testing, that is called analysis. Drafting, we can do drafting and then designing and analysis operation in CAD. Used to create the graphic representation of a physical object. That means we can do previously while we are constructing any component, we have to, while we are seeing the front view or top view or side view or pictorial view, like that we have to draw a separate images by assumptioning the component as when we are in the front view or when we are seeing from the front or when we are seeing from the top. But here in the computer aided design, that is CAD software, by simply clicking this front view option, it will show the how the front view will be or top view will be, like that. But a very simply operation. But what are the main functions of CAD is to be designed? Create graphical representations, that is 2D and 3D drafting. For creating the 3D model, it's not an easy. For creating the 2D, we can get it easily by constructing in a simple manner. But for creating the 3D, that is isometric views. Okay, for creating the orthographic, that is called 2D. Okay, for 3D, we have to create the isometric models, means it is a very difficult or different thing we need to analyze in a 3D model. But for CAD, it is a very easy or simple technique to create 2D and 3D object at a time. So 3D modeling is a individual component modeling and assembly modeling. While we are using in machine drawing, in a chart of figure, it shows what are the bill of materials, either it may be 8 or 10, but we have to assemble it in a assembly section. So we have to prepare the individual components, and by clicking the assembly model or when we are go for assembly section, these all individual components can be transferred directly to assembly section. For like that we are preparing this 3D modeling with individual component and assembly component. Then what is the uses for analysis? What are the analysis can be done in manually? How much time will it take? Okay, you just imagine that the stress analysis. So just like our UTM mission, universal testing mission, or hardness testing, Rockwell, Brenell, okay, torsion testing. How much time will it take, or how much time will it take to calculate what are the conditions? Depending on the conditions, how much time will it take to get it the values? But here in a single software, by clicking this application, what we have to analyze, where to analyze, these are the contents. If you know, we can directly get it the analysis, that is structural analysis, kinematic analysis, thermal analysis, like that. Anything we can get it this software. Then what is another application or main function is used for simulation the system, that is collision simulation, robotic simulation. Suppose when we construct a design, then what is the component when it is collide to a wall or collision to a wall with a speed of so and so 50 kilometers per hour? How or what is the parts can be damaged, or what are the contents will be damaged, or what are the things can be purely temporarily damaged? Like that we can visualize or simulate the components in the system itself. So these are the main functions of CAD. Okay. Then applications. What are the application of CAD in mechanical engineering? Then automotive industry. Okay, while we are producing any components nowadays, the automobile industry is totally of the CAD dependent. So aerospace and aircraft industry, for cars, bikes, we are using automotive. Aerospace, that means aeroplanes, that means rockets, like that. Then textile industry also. Okay, tool and die making industry, die manufacturing industry, welding and cutting, automobile industry. Okay, then jigs and fixtures manufacturing. These are the some of the applications of CAD related to mechanical design. What are the advantages of CAD over manual drafting? Okay, up to now in the subject itself, we have designed or drafted using manual only. For coming to the lab, we are aware of that AutoCAD and CATIA itself. Okay, then what are the advantages? Easy to draw. We can edit or we can modify the design within a fraction of seconds also. So it is easy to draw. Less time for consumption. Okay, it won't take any time lag for preparing this component. So while we are drawing the any design or a line for manual, we have to take up the drafter and we have to set it for 0 or without error. Then coming to take a pencil and take the what is the length to be measured, and then we have to construct a line. So these are the steps we have to follow for manual drafting. But coming to this CAD, that is by using a software, we simply click on line. Justly we have to click a line. The line will shows on the screen, but we have to give the exact measurement how much the length of a line is to be required. So by entering the value of length, either 20 centimeters or 3 centimeters, whatever the length, we have to get it for a line, that we have to give it by a keyboard. Then when you enter this line or when you enter this command or dimensioning, the line will appear in the content. Then at the same time, we can more accuracy and precision. Okay, if you give 3.25, so the line will exactly measuring of the length 3.25. Then quick access, easy modification, good appearance in the output. Okay, when we draw a line in the manual drafting, it shows maybe a heavy thick or it may be a very light or it may be zigzag, either the disturbance of a pencil or a drafter. But in the CAD, the appearance is very neat and very good output will be comes under the CAD software. Then what is the storage facility? There is a storage related to we are using the CAD software. So our computer, the hardware section will store the contents. Next, less prone errors, no errors means easy to share accurate information, better communication between users. That means when we construct or when we draw an image in CAD, when we transfer it to some other one, it won't be any changes in the drafting. So we can't get it by an errors for a longer period. So suppose if you construct a drawing in the manual, that we have to transfer it to some more in a location, that is maybe from one place to another place. It may be the sheet. What are the in manual drawing, we are preparing the drafting in the sheets only. The sheet may be blend or maybe tear off, or for during the transferring it may be go for damage. Okay, but what is the when it is go for the another person, it can't able to get it the exact information also. But in the CAD, the file is of a software, it will go for a better communication between the users. Next, it gives higher performance and increase efficiency of designers work. Then in traditional, what are the steps involved in design? It is design and manufacturing process before computer era. That is without the use of computers. How the design and manufacturing process is there. That is the old technique. Sketch with pencils, Okay, using a proper sketching with a pencils. Then go for, that is sketch is nothing but the a rough sketch means. Okay, then coming to engineering drawing with pencils. Okay, we are preparing the a rough sketch which is of so and so length by using a pencil. But coming to engineering drawing, when it is comes from, that is sketching, after that we have to go for drawing, engineering drawing. We have to measure exact length of a line or exact size of a product by using a scales. Scale is nothing but scaling is a original to the sheet. What is the ratio, is the 1:1 or 1:2. Then finally go for manufacturing. This is a very old technique while we are using before the computer era comes under the designing. This is